Welcome to Super Deals Alert. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or just love tackling DIY projects, you won't want to miss this. Today, we're bringing you the best deals on high-quality woodworking tools to elevate your craft without breaking the bank. From precision hand tools to versatile power tools, we've got it all covered. Let's dive into these incredible finds. Number 1. RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw, 6-inch double-edge sided, pull saw Ryoba SK5 flexible blade, 14/17 TPI flush cut Beech handle wood saw for woodworking tools. Number 2. WETOLS Corner Clamp for woodworking, 90-degree right angle clamp, wood clamps, for piece adjustable spring loaded woodworking clamp. Number 3. 12-pack plastic spring clamps, 3.5-inch small heavy-duty clips for crafts, backdrop stand, woodworking, photography studios, black. Number 4. Jorgensen 3.5-inch mini wood planer, mini hand planer for woodworking, block plane, small hand plane for trimming, wood planing, craft, wood plane with ductile iron body, adjustable cutting depth. Number 5. GREBSTK 10 inches wood chisel set for woodworking, for piece chrome vanadium steel Bevel-Edge bench chisels with cap, comfortable extra large PVC high impact handle. Number 6. Respirator mask reusable half-face gas cover/shield with safety glasses, filters for painting, welding, polishing, woodworking, and other work protection, medium. Number 7. One Crew Corner Clamps for woodworking, One Crew right angled clamp woodworking tools, 4-pack 5.5-inch by 5.5-inch aluminum L-type positioning squares, 90-degree clamp for boxes, cabinets, drawers. Number 8. Mielezy DT20 laser tape measure 3-in-1, 130-foot laser distance meter, 16-foot digital tape measure, regular tape measure, area volume measuring Pythagorean mode, waterproof and rechargeable. Number 9. DeWalt 20V Max Planer, 30,000 cuts per minute, 2 mm cut depth, brushless motor, bare tool only, DCP 580B. Number 10. Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw, 15 amp power saw with large 10-inch table, precision miter angles, single bevel 0 to 45 degrees, 24T TCT miter blade, positive stops, lightweight design, C10F CGS. Number 11. DeWalt 20V Max XR cordless router, brushless, tool only, DCW 600B. Number 12. DeWalt 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit, cordless woodworking 3 tool set with 5Ah battery and charger, DCK 300P1. The links to these products are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!